You need these 15 travel essentials for your next vacation. I'm Jen from Travels Unfiltered, and it's time to get into it. Sort, pack, locate, and access your items quickly. These Vecan 8-set packing cubes are our go-to travel essential for stress-free organising. Natural ingredients, convenient travel tins, long-lasting bars. This shampoo and conditioner bar set by Ms. Tag keeps your hair looking fabulous, making it perfect for any trip while also reducing your environmental footprint. Versatile zip closure design, this Peak Design packable tote can be used in so many ways. It's great for organising items on the go. This universal crossbody phone lanyard by Lawanda, with its adjustable anti-theft design, is great for keeping your phone secure while travelling. This absolute travel essential keeps all your tech gadgets neatly organised and easily accessible. Bag Smart Electronics Organizer travel case is perfect for preventing tangled cords and ensuring you never leave your essentials behind. Ensuring your clothes stay clean and your travels worry-free. Leak Locks toiletry skins. Durable, universal fit elastic sleeves. They prevent leaks from toiletries. These are one of our favourite travel essentials for keeping our luggage mess-free. The Lisa Pack 8ml perfume atomizer spray bottle. Perfect for conveniently carrying your favourite fragrances without risking spills or carrying heavy bottles. Perfectly fits in your purse or pocket. It's an ideal companion for any trip. Voom Sonic Travel Electric Toothbrush. Combines dentist-recommended sonic technology with a sleek, portable design, ensuring you can maintain excellent oral hygiene effortlessly wherever you go. Seamless connectivity in over 150 countries. We suggest this e-Picker universal travel adapter with its 6-in-1 charging capability. It allows you to power up multiple devices safely and efficiently for any global adventure. This travel document organizer by Apadi keeps all your travel essentials organised and secure with RFID blocking technology, a zip-around closure, and a removable strap. It's the perfect accessory for seamless and chic travel experiences. Long-lasting rechargeable battery and whisper-quiet operation. It's the perfect travel essential for staying cool and comfortable. This 360-degree bladeless cooling, suite full portable neck fan ensures safety and comfort. If the neck fan isn't for you, then you should check out the Suite Full Mini Portable Fan, a smaller, more portable and traditional cooling alternative. With its powerful 3-speed wind, compact pocket size and long-lasting rechargeable battery, this is great for beating the heat on the go. We suggest these Sil Fairy extra-large travel laundry bags for keeping your dirty clothes organised and contained. With their zip-resistant waterproof material and spacious design, they're perfect for long trips and vacations, ensuring you can easily carry and store your laundry wherever you go. Keyless TSA-approved luggage travel locks by BV Store. Ideal for protecting your valuables during travel. These travel locks ensure the security of your belongings, allowing TSA agents to inspect your luggage without damaging the lock. Finally, number 1. We recommend this Boxiki Hidden Travel Money Belt, a must-have for travellers. Discreet and secure with RFID blocking technology and multiple compartments, it ensures your money, passport and important documents are all safe from theft and digital threats, all while being comfortable to wear under your clothing. You can purchase all of these items through the links in the description box of this video. If you're planning a trip, then you need to check out our travel tips playlist. It has everything you need to know to make your vacation perfect, including top travel hacks, the best luggage sets, and much more. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel tips and videos, and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next time!